Hey guys, this is Japan Monster channel. I'm Yukiyoshi. Today I'm going to talk about the 5 incredible vending machines in Japan. Last time I talked about vending machine. Number of the video viewers are pretty good, so I'll dig deeper a little bit more. In Japan, there are many vending machines in stores. With just drink vending machines, over 2.4 million are set in Japan. That's a lot. Among the vending machines, I will introduce 5 incredible vending machines that I feel so unique. So let's go. 1. Watch. Selling Coca-Cola collaboration watch from Timex. It was temporarily installed in Shibuya Lofto and Umeda Lofto in commemoration of the 50th anniversary of release of Coca-Cola's advertising Hilltop that was aired in 1971. 3 types of collaborative products with graphics on the dial that image on TV advertisement that appeal for peace and diversity. A total of 5 types, including 2 new type of Timex 80. Watch cost from 100 to 230 US dollars. The way to buy a watch is insert the coins purchased at the cash register into the vending machine. Select the product and press the button, and the product in the beverage can shape, a limited case clock can will appear. After purchasing the watch can, it can also be used as a display case at home. Number 2, raw horse meat, located in 4 places of Chiba Prefecture. There are even vending machines where you can buy frozen ramen and fried oyster, but raw horse meat is extraordinary and surprising. This vending machine is set up by a sashimi wholesale company in Matsudo City, Chiba Prefecture. By the way, sashimi is raw meat. You can purchase all 5 types of sashimi, horse sashimi, including carefully selected horse sashimi, 6 US dollar, lean horse sashimi, $13, soft horse sashimi, $7, and 2 horse sashimi, red meat and mane, $10. Each one of them comes with its own miso sauce. The sashimi is already cut, so you don't have to use a cutting board or kitchen knife. Sadly, it is not produced in Japan. Meat is from Canada, Argentina, or Mexico. Usually, people eat whole sashimi with soy sauce, grated garlic, and green onions. Compared to the meat of the other animals, horse meat has a higher proportion of unsaturated fatty acids that are hard to oxidize, and it is said that horse meat is hard to increase body fat. It has a high protein and low calories. Number 3, cakes. Shortcake can from Okashigaku. This brand is from Sapporo, Hokkaido, and installed vending machines in Hokkaido, Tokyo, Chiba, and Osaka. Reason why they made such shortcake can vending machine is because of these ideas. I want to buy delicious sweets 24 hours a day, even late after work or after drinking party. If there is a cake vending machines, it's hard to collapse. So it's also that suitable for bags. It's easier to put in and buy. It's easier to buy your own reward and gifts for other people to make everyone can be happy with sweets. Because of that, they pack the filling into can with cake. Plenty of fresh cream from Hokkaido. A simple and well-balanced calculation of shortcake into a can. It costs around $10. I would love to try eating the cake cause this brand is pretty famous. The cake must be delicious. Number 4, cotton candy, located in Kagurazaka, Tokyo. Cotton candy is very popular among the young female, such as opening of cotton candy specialty store in Harajuku is famous. It is said that 100 cotton candies can be sold in 3 hours at most through the vending machine. There are a wide variety of flavors including strawberry milk, honey lemon, salted caramel, coke, peach yogurt, chocolate banana, matcha parfait, purple potato tart, all 10 types they sell, and cotton candy is contained in a bag with a zip, so it can bring back home. It only costs $3 with cotton candy of soft, very soft one. The crowd like melting in the mouth. Adult taste that is not too sweet. That's the very cheap. They offer with a very cheap price. And lastly, the number 5, Ring. A vending machine where you can buy rings in a residential area of Sendagaya, Shibuyaku, Tokyo. The vending machine was installed by the popular jewelry brand Jam Homemade. Rings of the brand can be bought at vending machine 24 hours a day. They sell the proposal ring with a 0.01 carat diamond for $86, and wedding ring kit that you can make yourself also cost $86. 8 rings of different sizes and mallet to adjust the size are included, so you can make your own ring size. There is also workbench in front of the vending machine, so you can make a ring on the spot according to the size of your finger. I hope you discover some interesting vending machines today. there are more unique vending machines installed in Japan, like selling the power accessories, flowers, character goods, and stuff like that. I guess the vending machine technology is growing very fast. Today's Japanese vocabulary I want you to remember is 自動販売機, which means vending machine. Japanese people tend to shorter the words. Shorter version of 自動販売機 is 自販機. It's good to remember these words, very useful. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the contents, please press like. If you want to know more about Japan, please press subscribe button. And also leave some comments. If many people watches this video, I will talk about the vending machine video again. Yeah, I will talk to you soon. Bye.